And this is what I'm talking about in terms of kind of not having to make a whole lot of decisions and just have the thing almost present itself to you. Okay. So right here, there's very clearly, and let me just blow this up just a little more here. Okay. So you can see right there very clearly, we have now that drop, base, rally there. Okay. Okay, there's the clear reversal there. There are those two indecisive candles, those spinning tops. Okay, they're all wick, almost no body, and then of course then that series of very, very bullish longer candles there. Okay, so this thing just kind of automatically presented itself. Also notice though, once you do that, this is really isolating where supply and demand go out of whack, where that exhaustion of sellers occurred. And instead of using the level that looks like this, which would have been like basically where that top of that 60-minute candle we were looking at before, notice that the level gets shrunk down now by about 40%, and you're not really losing anything because this is where the top of the body of that 60-minute candle would have been. But notice right here, this is actually where supply and demand go out of whack. Okay, where right there is where the exhaustion of sellers occurs. So in a sense, you've shrunk this level down from, let's say, 1.3248 down to 1.3237. So you've knocked about 10 or 11 ticks off of that. And that, of course, changes the whole, the whole foundation of your trade in terms of the math and what you can expect out of it. Okay. So at any rate, so I'm actually waiting on this. I'm waiting on this setup right now. And in fact, I think I posted this yesterday in the FTP.